So hey guys, welcome back. So this is Ramavath Rajinikanth. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rajja Btech. So in this particular video, we are going to deal with that inspect concept and technology. So what exactly inspect and what are the things that we will going to learn? I will tell you in detail. So first of all, whenever the website is designed, we will have a chance to edit the content of the website. Content you cannot be in erase a complete content and change. I mean, replace the particular content on that place. You cannot do, but we have seen that in Instagram Reels and somewhere else, like they are doing just inspecting and change the value of the particular product and just making the fun with it, that kind of thing. But majority of the persons use in that way. But we are going to do something different with the inspect concept. So let's start the video. Actually, this is a page of the Amazon that I have typed. Sorry, I typed wrong. So this is the Amazon website that you can see. Just click on the website. This video is more mainly about those who want to learn the coding. So if any one of you are preparing for the website or web development or thing, so then it will be very useful for you to understand how you can going to be inspect the inspect website and see the source code and all those stuff you will going to see. First of all, just click on the just click the right click button on your screen, and just there is a button you can see there is a concept called inspect. Click on the inspect. Instantly you will see the entire website code. Yeah, you can see the entire website code. Okay. If I type for the something on YouTube, stand. Okay, YouTube stand for the mobile. So this kind of the reels will be up here. So this is what you can going to see, that like 729 and all this stuff will be available here. So let's click on for the mobile view, and this is mobile view. This is tab view, and okay, this is the website version of that. So what I want to tell you that guys, that you can see the entire source code from here. So source code, let's click on amazon.com, open. Sorry, just give me a second. Yeah, these all are the source. Like click on the element that you are going to see the entire HTML pages contained here. So HTML. So this is the starting of the HTML, where you will going to be start with the open element of the HTML. So if you want to change this particular content, okay, so I will just select this button, click the click on the arrow button and click on this. There you will going to see the div button. In the div button, so delivery product. So delivery product, if you want to change this particular content delivery product, so you can type that Rajja. Instantly the content has changed. You can observe that how the content has changed here. This content cannot be changed completely. It will be changed for certain period of time. Like it will be server in client side changing, but it won't be changed from the server side. So that is what you can do with the inspect page. Okay, so what else? Just click on the add to button for this particular product, view the product. So it will be take to you another page. So if I want to change the price of this product, so just click on the right click, and then you will see the inspect button and select this arrow mark and just click on the money that you want to change, wholesale price, and just go to the span, and here you can see the money, right? Money 799. Just add that free. And if you just eliminate these page here, it will showing that free. But as I told you that it will be only the client side change, but when it's come to the server side, it won't be changed. So this is how you can going to be just play with the inspect button. And those who are preparing for the any courses for the web development related, you guys will have a lots of interest in reading the other websites code, and you will going to have the lots of doubt as well. So this is how you will going to do. So hope you guys have the familiar with that inspect, how the inspect concept will be work in website. So with that, Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.